Hello viewers, in this video we will learn about shapes, how to format the shapes we will learn in this video. Let us start. So just go to insert tab and go to illustrations group and click shapes triangle button. In this drop down list there are different types of shapes are available. So these are the first group is what here section. In this section, recently used shapes. So these are the most frequently used shapes, and these are the different types of lines which you can draw. Next, rectangles. There are different types of rectangles are there. Here basic shapes. Okay, sun, moon, clouds, heart symbol, and some other. Here braces, square brackets are also available. And next, block arrows are also available, equation shapes are also available, flow charts are available, stars and banners, different types of stars and banners are available. Here callouts are also there. So there are different types of shapes are available under shapes drop down list. So whenever you want to draw a shape, click this drop down list button, then click the shape that you want to draw. Now I want to draw line. Click that line shape. Now our mouse pointer changes to crosshair. This mouse pointer is known as crosshair. Okay, so it is just like a plus sign. Just draw. Click and drag the mouse button. You see here indefinite line is drawing. If you want to draw the straight line, just hold on the shift key. Okay, so you can draw the straight line. Okay, straight 45 degrees. Okay, next 90 degrees, like this you can draw, right, in this way. So as soon as you draw a shape, what happened? Selection handles, okay, are appearing there. And when this shape is got selected, we can see shape format tab. If you click outside the shape, that shape will be deselected, and that shape format is disappeared. The tab is disappeared. Again, if you want to get it, just point to that shape. When the mouse point, when you trying to point to that shape, you will see four-headed arrow. Four-headed arrow means it is an object. If you click, that will be get selected. Got it? Shape format tab. Here on this tab, you can see insert shapes. This means if you want to draw more shapes, just you can click the shape that you want from this group and you can draw. You need not to go about insert tab, shapes, and selecting the shape. So this is the handy. Okay, these tools are what handy. Okay, next is what shape styles. So whatever the shape we just drawn here, it is what some blue in color and is too thin. If you want to change its color, just point to the shape style that you want. Okay, here see, you can see number of shape styles are there. Somewhat thick are there, somewhat thin are there, somewhat dashed are there, some arrows are there. Okay, so whichever the one you want, just click it, that's all. Easy or not? Okay, I'm undoing this. Next, we will go to the next option. Here, why shape fill is turned off, why it is dim? Why? Because there is nothing to fill, because it is an outline but not the closed object. Here, what we will do, shape outline. If you click this triangle button, okay, you will see some bunch of colors. This is known as palette. So whichever the color you want, just point to that color and it will show you the preview. Okay, so whichever the color you want, just click it. Done. So I have selected red color. Here, if you want to change the thickness of the color, go to weight and here select the thickness that you want. Whatever the thickness you want, you can select it. I want 4.5. Okay, right. Next, if you want a dashed line, okay, it is what solid. this is dotted, okay, square dot. In this way, whichever the style you want, you can select it. If you want more styles, click more. Here you see compound type. Here see double line, okay, thick line, thin line. In this way, here triple line is there. So in this way, you can select the one that you want. If you want, you can extend it also using these handles. You can extend the line. See, it is going cross. Undo it. So hold on the shift key whenever you increase or decrease the size of the line. Hold on the shift key while you drag the selection handle. So unless the mouse pointer changes to two-headed arrow, this is two-headed arrow and this is four-headed arrow. So in the previous video we learned that two-headed arrow means we can change the size. Four-headed arrow means we can move it. We can select it as well as we can move the object. Done. Okay. So these are the few options here. Apart from these lines, we can see arrows also. Okay, if you want to convert it an arrow, you can click. I want this style. You see, okay. Suppose if you want a different line style, arrow style. Suppose if you want both the ends, you want the arrow in this way. Suppose if you want this dot as well as arrow, you can have like this. So whichever the style you want, you can have that. Clear. Suppose if you don't want the line, then what will you do? No line. Okay, it is disappeared. So that option is also available. Of course, next shape effects is there. If you want to add any effect, you can. But as of now, this kind of effects are available. Got it? Undo, undo. Right. So here some of the options are enabled because this will be available on specific objects. Next is what position. This thing already we have learned. So wherever you want to place this object, suppose if you want to place this object in the center of the page, click this. If you want to place this object in the top left corner or in the top center, top right corner, in this way you can place, right? Okay, this is what about the position. Next, wrap text. When you move this object, it is just placing on the text. If you want to place this, already we have learned this one. Wrap text means what? It will be fixed in the center of the text. Okay, just hold on the shift key while you drag. Okay, in this way. Next, bring forward, send backward is what we will learn on the shapes. You see here how many shapes are there? 1, 2, 3 shapes are there. Okay, this is what blue in color, and let us change the color of this. Okay, I am changing it and this to some other color. Okay, so we are having three different colors. All right, I will move this object. Here you see I am clicking the last object. Okay, and in front of this object two objects are there. Did you observe? One and two. If you click bring forward, it will cross one object. Again, if you click bring forward, it will cross another object. Clear? In case, now this is the last object, no? It is behind all the objects. Suppose instead of using bring forward twice, you can click bring to front. It will cross all the objects, whatever the number of objects are there. It will completely come to the front. Next, in the same way, send backward. If you click send backward, it will go one object behind because now it has went behind this object. Now, if I click send backward, another object. If you click send backward, because some other objects are also there in this. Okay, so that's why it is taking some time. So send backward. Okay, now, okay. Object. If you click send backward, it is crossing one object. If you click, suppose I am clicking this blue colored. If you want to directly send it to back, it will go back. But text is there. Okay, suppose in case if you want to send this object behind this text, what you have to do? Send behind text in this way. So whatever the options we require, all that are available. So depending upon your requirement, you can choose the one that you want. All right, undo. Okay, we want in this order. Save. Next, what is there? Okay. So suppose if you want a specific size, if you want to draw any shape in a specific size, height and width. Suppose if you want 1 inch and 1 inch. Okay, it is a total circle. If you want to draw this line, okay, width and height, you want what? Height is 0 and width is what? 3. You want exactly 3 inches. In this way, you can change the size. Now, after learning drawing the line, next we will learn other shapes also. Okay, let us keep these shapes aside. Now you see, go to insert tab, or if you select any shape, okay, you will get the shape format, and you can select shape that you want to insert. Now I am selecting what? Rectangle. So when you draw a rectangle, it will be like this. Okay, any two sides will be equal, either height or width. Suppose in case if you want to draw a square, then what you have to do? Hold down the shift key while you drag. Okay, while you drag, you need to hold down the shift key, then only it will be drawn a square. Suppose if you release the what shift key, you can draw the rectangle. If you hold down the shift key, it will draw the square. Clear? In the same way, if you use oval shape, if you draw, it will be oval shape. Is it clear? It is oval in shape or oval shape or not? If you want to draw a circle, hold down the shift key. Clear? In this way. So if you hold on the shift key, it will be drawn either circle or square or straight line. In case if you hold on the shift key, it will be drawn circle, straight line or rectangle. What? Square, circle or straight line. If you don't hold on the shift key, what it will be drawn? It will be drawn either rectangle or oval shape or indefinite line in that way. So do remember while you draw. All right. So here we got shape styles. So whenever you select any shape, you will get the shape styles. Here from this list, whatever the shape you want, you can have it. Clear? And from fill, you can have the color. Just now we did see, no? Okay, you can fill any color, solid color, or else you can insert, you can fill a picture also. Okay, suppose I want to fill a picture in this circle. Select it, fill picture from file. Okay, here, so which picture you want to insert in that? Just double click the picture that you want. Suppose I want to fill my picture. Double click, it has been filled or not? Got it. Hold on the shift key and drag the corner handle in this way. Got it. Hold on the shift key while you decrease or increase. Means what? Whenever you resize any object, hold on the shift key in this way. Now what do you want to do? If you want to fill gradient instead of picture, if you want to fill gradient, you can. Gradient means what? Multicolored, means what? Two or more colors. So here some shades are there, whichever the shade you want to fill, you can. Okay, if you want more gradients, click more gradients. Okay, here you see some no film is what? It will be empty. If you click solid film is what? Any single color will be filled. So whichever the color you want to fill, you can have it. Okay, from this here. Suppose if you want to make it transparent, you can make it transparent like this. It is transparent or not? Right. If you want to remove the transparency, make it 0. This is what solid fill and transparency. Next, gradient fill means multicolored. See here some preset gradients are there. Okay, right, so whichever the one you want, you can click it and it can be filled like this. And whatever the gradient you selected, based on the types here there. Linear means what? Straight or cross. Radial means what? Just like a ball. Okay, rectangular means like this. Path means what? It will be from center, from whichever the corner you want, you can select it like this. Okay, here angles are also there. Okay, direction, here linear is there. Okay, so which direction you want? This one, this one, Okay, options are there. Whenever you select here, either it can be radial or what, here options are there. From center you want, or some other thing you want, you can select it. And on the if you select linear here, you will get getting the angle. So from which angle you want this linear, right? In this way. And here gradient stops are there. Okay, here all what green shades are there. Suppose if you want to change the color, so here I want a different color. I will click the first tab. This is what tab. Okay, if I click this stop, okay, tab stop, then if I change the color here, the color will be changed, you see. Got it? Next, this color I want to change. Click it. I want this color I want. Changed or not? Next, I will change this color also. Okay, this color. So I have changed the colors. If you want to add more tab stops, then double click. Okay, double click and change the color you want as per your requirement in this way. If you click here, radial, it will looking like this. Suppose if you want from the center, then here click center. Got it? In this way. So what can you do? You can change the colors as per your requirement. Here also I am going to change the color. Is it clear? So this is what we can create a new gradient. Okay, like this. Okay, in the same way, line also, this whatever the outline is there, you can change it. Okay, so how much width you want, which color whichever the color you want, you can select it. Okay, and how much thickness you want, you can change it. Okay, and whatever the style you want, do you want straight or the cross like this, you can have it. And the same way, line style also, double line or single line. In this way, you can have. So a number of options are available. In the same way, as we formatted the circle, in the same way you can format the rectangle or the circle or any other shape. Okay, so in this way, we can format the shapes. I hope you learned how to format the shapes, right? Thank you. Please practice. Don't just watch and leave. Please practice well. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.